it's me, Hannah, and I'm back in the kitchen. So, today we're making cheesy ham tortellini. Right here I have some cut up onions, so I'm gonna finely dice them. Alright. Here I have my milk, my onions, garlic, and here is some ham that I'm going to chop up. Now we're going to saute the onions. Our onions are looking good. It's time to add the garlic and ham. Let's put all this ham in. Here's our ham. Okay, we're going to use this to make a roux. This is 1 tablespoon of flour.
Okay, go ahead and add the chicken broth.
Okay, time for Mr. Broth.
All in quick. Go quick. There you go.
Here.
All right, now give it a stir. And then we're gonna add the milk. More liquid. And then it should start to thicken a little.
And get less hot?
Our milk is warm so that it doesn't curdle.
Yeah, curdling, that's bad.
Go ahead and add the milk in the middle,
Okay.
close to the pan.
Not bad.
Okay, give it a stir.
I think it should start to thicken a little.
So we're gonna cook that, and then once it comes to a simmer or a light boil, somewhere around there, then we will add our tortellini.
Tortellini.
Yummy!
We added the tortellini, so now we're gonna cover it and let it cook. Our tortellini is done cooking, and I'm gonna add in some spices. Now, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Nope.
What's the recipe say?
Not mozzarella cheese. Hold on. Cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese. Sorry about that. Cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese. your pan off the burner before adding your cheese so it does not curdle. And now let's put my cheese in. The cheese I got wrong. And now we mix. Oh, splattered a little. We're done cooking and we added in some extra corn for more veggies. Let's plate.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.